Namaste to all. Welcome to my channel MA Tuitions. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell button, then only you will get the notifications properly. So the last class we were discussing about the polynomials. Today we are going to discuss about the algorithm, division algorithm for polynomials. You have already studied about the division algorithm, isn't it? In the first chapter we have discussed. Whenever you are given some numbers to divide, then you can write this as dividend equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. This you know well, isn't it? So whether this holds for the polynomials also, that we are going to check in this topic. Okay. Here one example is there. Divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. So we can divide as the numbers dividing, just like that we can divide these two polynomials. So 2x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by x plus 2. You need here 2x square, only one x is there. So we need 1 2 and 1 x. 2x into x only 2x square. So you will get 2x into x, 2x square. Then multiply this 2x and 2, then you will get 2 into 2, 4x. Then just subtract. To subtract, we can change, easily subtract, we can change the sign of these numbers, these polynomials. So it will be 2x square is positive, so it will be negative, and 4x also positive, it will be negative. Now just consider this sign, 2x square minus 2x square is 0. 3x minus 4x is minus 1x plus 1. Now we need here minus 1x, here only x is there, so we can write here minus 1. Then you will get minus 1 into x, minus 1x, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Here also you can change the signs, you will get plus here. So here it will be 0 and here 1 is plus and 2 is also plus. You can get you will get the remainder as 3. We got the divisor as x plus 2 and quotient as 2x minus 1 and remainder as 3. We will multiply the x plus 2 and 2x minus 1 and whether you find this dividend or not, that is my question. So x into 2x is 2x square. X into minus 1 is minus 1x. Then 2 into 2x is 4x. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 plus 3. Okay. 2x square. Minus 1x plus 4x. 4 minus 1, 3 plus 3x. Minus 2 plus 1 is 1. So we got the dividend 2x square plus 3x plus 1. 3x plus 1. So this division algorithm holds for polynomials also. So if you are given some polynomial p of x and g of x, okay, if you want to divide this p of x with g of x, you can write this p of x as the g of x. If the quotient you got is q of x and the remainder is r of x, then you will get a formula like this, a condition like this. P of x can be written as g of x into q of x plus r of x. Here g of x is the divisor, q of x is the quotient and r of x is the remainder. Got it? Another example, find all the zeros of 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 if you know that two of its zeros are root 2 and minus 2. Okay, we have given a polynomial p of x which is 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. And one more condition is given that since this is a polynomial with degree 4, it has 4 zeros that we studied, isn't it? It has 4 zeros, only 2 zeros are given, root 2 and minus 2, root 2 and minus root 2, which means x, if root 2 is a 0, then x minus root 2 is a factor. If negative root 2 is a 0, then x plus root 2 is a factor. Got it? So this p of x has already these two factors. Two more we want to find out. If x minus 2 into x plus 2, x minus 2 and x plus 2 are factors, then the product of these two is also always a factor of this polynomial. So this is of the form a minus b into a plus b. So we can write a square minus b square. So x square minus root 2 square, which is x square minus 2 is a factor of this p of x. So how can you find out the other zeros? We can just divide this polynomial by this polynomial. Okay. Then we will write 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 divided by x square minus 2. Okay. We need here 2x raised to 4. Here only x square is there. So one x square and one 2 is needed. 2x square into x square only, you will get 2x raised to 4. And 2x square into minus 2 is minus 4x square. We can write here minus 4x square. The term x cube is missing here. Okay, the x cube, we cannot find any term of x cube. So we have to write here. Then subtract. So I am changing the signs. It will be plus. This is 0. Minus 3x cube can be written like here. Here it is positive and this is negative. So plus 1x square you will get and plus 6x. Here we need negative 3x cube. Here only x square is there. So we can take minus 3x. Then you get negative 3. Negative 3x cube. Negative into negative positive 6x. Okay. This we can write not here. Here. Okay. Negative 3 into negative 2 positive 6x. Again subtract. Here it will be plus. Here it will be minus. Then 1x square, this will be 0. Minus 3x cube plus 3x cube is 0. 1x square, this is also 0. No need to write. This minus 2 can be written here. 1x square minus 2. So here x square minus 2 is here. So just multiply with 1. Then you will get x square minus 2. And this will be, this is minus, this is plus. It will be 0. So our quotient is 2x square minus 3x plus 1, which means here you got the remainder as 0. That means this is a factor of this polynomial. Okay. Now we can change this into a polynomial of degree 1. We can change this 2x square minus 3x plus 1 into a polynomial just like this, degree of 1, linear polynomial. So we can split the middle term, 2x square minus 2x minus x. Okay, this will be negative 3x plus 1. And take this 2x outside from here. If you are taking 2x from here, you will get x. Here it will be 1. I am taking negative 1 outside, then you will get x minus 1. So the common factor is x minus 1. Take this x minus 1 outside and this 2x and minus 1, you will get another factor as 2x minus 1. Okay, so our two more factors we had find out is x minus 1 and 2x minus 1. Since x minus 1 is a factor, you can write x equal to 1. 1 is a 0. And 2x minus 1 is a factor. We can write 2x equal to 1 and x equal to 1 by 2. So we got the two more zeros, 1 and 1 by 2. We have already, it has given that root 2 and negative root 2 are zeros. And 1 and 1 by 2 is also the zeros of this polynomial. Okay. Next we will do exercise 2.3. In this, the first question is, we had given two polynomials h p of x and g of x, and we want to divide these two polynomials and write the quotient, remainder and all. Okay. So we are going to divide this p of x by g of x. Then you can write x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 divided by x square minus 2. Please listen, this is not in the form of standard form. That means ax square plus bx plus c is the standard form of a quadratic polynomial that we have studied. Sorry, it is c. But here the term of x is missing. That we want to be very careful about that. Okay. So we need here x cube. Only x square is there. So multiply with x. X into x square is x cube. X into minus 2 is minus 2x. I am writing here. Just below the term of x. And just subtract, you can change the sign, it will be 0, minus 3x square. Here 5 plus 2 is plus 7x minus 3. I am writing this minus 3 here. Then here we need minus 3x square, x square is here. So just multiply with negative 3. Negative 3 into x square is negative 3x square. Negative into negative, positive 6. You are getting positive 6. Okay. So just subtract. This will be 7x, this will be 0. And here it will be minus 7x minus 9. So our quotient is x minus 3 and the remainder is 7x minus 9. Okay. Two more questions are there in the first question. Here p of x is given and g of x is x square plus 1 minus x. This is not in the standard form. So we can write this as x square, then the term of x minus x plus 1. Okay, we can divide x raised to 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 divided by x square minus x plus 1. We need here x raised to 4. So multiply with x square. X square into x square is x raised to 4. X square into negative x is negative x cube. Here x cube is missing. Okay. And 1 into x square is 1x square. So just multiply. I am changing the sign. So it will be 0. The x cube term will be plus x cube. And we want to add this minus 3x square and minus 1x square. Okay. So you will get minus 4x square. Then write this 4x. Then we need here x cube. Only x square is there. So multiply with x. Then you will get x cube. X into negative x is negative x square. X into 1 is plus x. Just subtract, changing by sign. Then it will be 0. This will be minus 3x square. This will be plus 3x. And this 5 can be written here. Again with negative 3. Then you will get negative 3x square. Negative 3 into negative x is plus 3x. Negative 3 into 1 is minus 3. So you will get all these are same terms. So it will be 0. And here you will get 8. 8 as a reminder. The quotient or q of x can be written as x square plus x minus 3. And what about the remainder? Remainder r of x equal to 8. Okay. Third question is p of x, x raised to 4 minus 5x plus 6 and g of x is 2 minus x square. I wrote this in this form. This is not in the standard form. Both p of x and g of x are not in the standard form. If you are very difficult to do in the same manner, you can use the standard form by putting zeros on the missed terms. Okay. Just like that, x raised to 4 plus 0x cube. Instead of whichever terms are missing, you can substitute there 0. Then you can write x raised to 4 plus 0x square plus 0x cube plus 0x square minus 5x plus 6. Now this is in the standard form. And divide with, here also negative x square plus 0x plus 2. Okay, then it will be very easy. And then multiply, here we need x raised to 4. No negative is needed. So just multiply with negative x square. Then you will get negative positive x raised to 4. Then it will be 0x cube minus x square into 2 is minus 2x square. Subtract by changing the sign. This is 0 and here also 0. Here you will get plus 2x square. And minus 5x we need and plus 6 also we need. Okay. Now we can multiply with, here we need 2x square. Am I right? 2x square we need. Here x square is already here. So we want to change the negative sign and we need one more 2. So we can multiply with minus 2. Then it will be minus 2 into minus x square is 2x square. Negative 2 into 0 is, okay, 0x. Negative 2 into plus 2 is negative 4. Then you will get, by changing the sign, it will be 0. This is minus 5x and this will be 10. So you will get the quotient. That means q of x as negative x square minus 2 and r of x as negative 5x plus 10. So the first question is completed. Second question, there are also 3 sub-questions are there. So in this questions, 2 polynomials are given. You have to find out whether the first is a factor of the second. The first polynomial is a factor of the second or not. How can you find out whether it is a factor? You can divide this polynomial with this. Okay, the second polynomial by the first polynomial. If you are getting the remainder as 0, if it is completely divisible, you can say that the first is a factor. If you are getting a remainder other than 0, any number or any polynomial, you can say that which is not a factor. So what we want to do? We can just divide. So 2t raised to 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. This is the dividend. Our divisor is t square minus 3. This is not in the standard form, that you have to be very careful. Multiply with 2t square. Then you will get 2t raised to 4 here. Minus 2 into 3 minus 6t square. So we can write here minus 6t square. Just subtract. Here 3t cube is here. Here it will be plus t cube. Okay. This 6 minus 2 is 4t square. Write this minus 90 here. Then here we need 3t cube. Here only t square is there. So we can write plus 3. You will get 3t cube. Minus 3 into 3, 90. We get minus 90. I will write here minus 90. Again subtract. You will get 4t square. Here also 0. So no need to write. Then minus 12 is here. I am writing minus 12 here. So you want to get here 4t square. Here only t square is there. So I am writing plus 4. So you will get 4t square minus 12. By subtracting, you will get the remainder as 0. So what does it mean? T square minus 3 is a factor of that polynomial. Okay. One more question is there. Here also you want to divide 3x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. Here both are in the standard form. Then no problem is there to divide. Just multiply with 3x square. Then you will get 3 into 3x square into x square is 3x raised to 4. 3x square into 3x is plus 9x cube. 3x square into 1 is plus 3x square. Just subtract minus, it will be 0. Here it will be minus 4x cube. Here both are negative, so minus 10x square. Then write this plus 2x here. And we need here minus 4x cube. Here only x square is there. So I am writing here minus 4x. Then you will get minus 4x cube minus 12. 4 into 3 is 12x square minus 4x. Okay. Again subtract by changing the sign. Here all will get back positive. Okay. That will be 0. Here plus 2x square and plus 6x. 1 plus 2 is here. So we can write here. Then we are multiplying with 2. Then you will get 2 into x square is 2x square. 2 into 3 is 6x. Okay. 2 into 1 is plus 2. Subtract, you will get the remainder as 0. So what does it mean? X square plus 3x plus 1 is a factor of the above polynomial. So third question, x cube minus 3x plus 1 and x raised to 5 minus 4x raised to 3 plus x square plus 3x plus 1. So we can divide x raised to 5. If you are difficult, you can substitute here 0 x raised to 4. Okay. Otherwise no problem. Minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. And divide it with x cube plus 0x square minus 3x plus 1. Okay. We need x raised to 5. So we are multiplying with x square. Then you will get x raised to 5 plus 0x raised to 4. And x square into x is minus 3x cube. X square into 1 is plus x square. Subtract. Here we can subtract by changing the sign. X raised to 5 minus x raised to 5 is 0. Here is also 0. Minus 4x cube plus 3x cube is minus 1x cube. Minus 1x cube. And here x square minus x square is also 0. We can put this 3x and 1 here. And we need here minus 1x cube. Only x cube is there. So we can write minus 1. Then minus 1 into minus x cube is minus 1x cube. Minus 1 into 0 is 0. Minus 1 into minus 3x is plus 3x. And what about 1? Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Okay. Just subtract. It will be by changing the sign. It will be plus. This will be minus. This will be minus. And this will be plus. Here it is 0. Also 0. 3x minus 3x is 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. So you will get the remainder as 2. And the quotient as x square minus 1. Since the remainder r of x is not equal to 0, r of x is 2. So we can say that this is not a factor of this polynomial. Today we have discussed about the division algorithm for polynomials that we have already studied in the first chapter from childhood itself, isn't it? So, and exercise 2.3 first and second questions. Go through the questions. If you have any doubts, as always, please make it on my comment box and follow my channel. We will continue the exercise 2.3 on the next class. Keep watching. Thank you so much for watching.